You know the way we do it on Salvage Nation, and we got that VW Transporter looking so fresh again. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode from your boy D at Salvage Nation. In this episode, we're back on the VW Transporter build, and if you remember in the last episode, we got a massive amount of work done for just one episode. We replaced that A-pillar piece, and everything is looking great on that car. Well, this morning, my windscreen specialist came and paid us a little visit, and he got that cracked, destroyed, obliterated old windscreen out, and we got a brand new windscreen in. And guys, this wouldn't be Salvage Nation if I didn't show you how we got on. So, whilst I go get changed, check out how we got on this morning with replacing the glass. And by the time you're finished with that, we'll get the van in the garage and we'll continue working. So, let's go. Nice one, man. Thank you. All right, so guys, so now you're up to speed. It's the next day here. The van is in the garage. As you can see off camera, we went ahead and we fitted that replacement bonnet. It's literally just 2 nuts, so we just did it off camera. We fitted the replacement wing on this side, and as you've just seen, we got a new windscreen. I got my man Angus's here. He's ready. He's the filler specialist. Yeah. So Angus is getting ready to just do some filler work here. All the seams that we welded, we're gonna make that nice and smooth, make it look very nice, pretty, and then we're just gonna prep for paint, and all of this is gonna get painted. We went ahead and replaced the side windows as well, and yeah, if you wanna get any windscreens done, that guy's details is gonna be down in the description below, but without any more talking, let's get this car finished. So guys, take a look at that. It's actually about 2 days later. Where you guys would have just seen, if I'm correct, is Angus was just like doing a lot of body work and working away, and Akil came in and sprayed this side of the van. We still got to spray the bonnet and the wings, so you guys are going to be seeing that. We're going to be taking those off the car, spray them off the car, and then we'll fit them back on. But the reason why I wasn't around to film this being sprayed is, if you follow me on Instagram, I was at Copart all day yesterday filming a really cool episode for my BMW M140i. After the first episode on this build, you guys seem to like it. It's something different, but I would never address a hater directly. But I just want to ask, like, why do you hate? There's so many people in the comments, like, why? Anyway, it's time to get the van out. Like I said, we're gonna take the panels off, get those prepped, finish off everything, and we're gonna be chugging along trying to get this build completed. It's gonna be filmed over the next couple of days as well. So by the end of this episode, you're gonna see the whole lot. Everything should be done on this van. And yeah, one comment though, someone was saying about the top line. I just wanted to say, like, when I show certain things or when I'm filming, guys, it's like we're in the middle of working. So there's a lot of work that also goes on behind the scenes or when I'm not filming as well. So that line at the top is looking great now. The lines here is looking great. The paintwork is great. We still have to flat, polish, cut, everything on that. So I'm very happy with that. The door, if I can get it open. There you go. The door is opening and closing nice. Have a listen to that. So I'm happy with everything. Let me know what you think so far. But for now, let's get the car out and continue working. So guys, we're gonna take a little break just to explain a few things because a lot has happened since I've checked in with you guys. Akil's over there just adjusting that door. We need to get those lines nice and straight. This is a new door, so we just need to adjust the lock to make sure that it's seated properly. Just before I went off, I've actually been away for the last few days. Akil went and sprayed the driver's side wing and the bonnet. We still got to spray the bumper, and I know I said I was going to show, but I had some family commitments, so I wasn't around. But have a look at the van now, man. That is really, really making a lot of progress. That front end is looking great. We just buckled down the grills. We just still need to finish lining up the lights and just some last minute stuff. But for now, we are literally just making great progress. The guys did a lot of work whilst I wasn't around. But yeah, take a look at this, man. It's really, really coming together. And we're gonna be completing everything on this van in this episode. This whole side was sprayed. It's got some runs in the lacquer, but we will be flattening, polishing, cutting everything on this complete side. But have a look at the side now. If you remember this a few days ago or earlier on in the episode, it was a complete and utter mess. The wing, the doors, everything has been replaced. We started to replace some of the stuff on the interior, but still, there's still a lot of work. And now I'm back. You guys are gonna be seeing everything. So have a look at that. That looks great. Well done.
Well done, son.
But yeah, no more talking now. Let's continue, get all of this stuff sorted. So there you have it, guys. We spent about 2 weeks just hard graft, hard work. You know the way we do it on Salvage Nation. And we got that VW transporter looking so fresh again. This is where this build is gonna end as far as we go of having it on the channel. There's still a few things that we need to do off camera. We're gonna do a full valet and we're gonna just sort out the interior a little bit more. And then this car, we don't know what we're gonna be doing yet, but this car is gonna be off the channel as of this episode. So I hope you enjoyed that rebuild. I wanted to do something different and you guys had a good response to it. A lot of you guys keep asking about the price. We've estimated it's gonna be about 17 and a half grand full, all in. So we're happy. That's not too bad at all. Not too shabby. I've got a few new builds coming up and I know that we've been doing a lot of performance stuff, but I'm gonna be getting back to my roots and we're gonna be getting some budget, easy to repair builds. I hope you guys stay tuned for all of that. So guys, like I always say, keep it moving and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.